Do you guys like Volvo product reveals? Well, I hope you like the 2019 S60 Sedan behind me because this is going to be the last Volvo product reveal for a while. Now, the reason I say it's the last one is because the S60 is the final piece in Volvo's new design puzzle. Just like the V60 before it, it adopts a slightly more aggressive front and rear end with a little more sculpting on the bumpers and a little more notch in the headlights, and out back there is the most absolute wild trunk line you've possibly ever seen. The story is the same on the inside as well. There's a nice long horizontal dashboard which is broken up right in the middle by a 9-inch vertically oriented Sensus Connect touchscreen that is standard across every single model and includes both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, the S60 is still a couple months away from making it to dealerships, but when it does, it'll arrive in 3 flavors here in the US. At base, we have a T5 front-wheel drive model putting out 250 horsepower. In the middle is a T6 all-wheel drive model that puts out 316 horsepower. And at the absolute tippy top of the lineup is the T8 twin-engine plug-in hybrid that uses the same engine from the T6 but boosts up power and adds some electric motors to create 400 horsepower. Now, if you're a fan of subscription programs, you'll be happy to know the new S60 is available with Care by Volvo. That's the manufacturer's subscription plan. Starting at a base rate of $775 a month for the Momentum trim and $850 a month for the R-Design trim, this one flat fee covers not only the vehicle, but also maintenance, wear and tear items, and just about everything other than gas, even insurance. Now, the 2019 S60 will be built right here at Volvo's new plant in Charleston, South Carolina. Production begins in the fall, and it'll go on sale a little after that. Expect pricing to start around $37,000.